Hi, this is Vamsi Krishna Nali, and the final project I'm going to present my final project, and it's regarding the Zomato restaurant dataset, and it's the primary topic of this project. So I'll give an introduction on this project. This includes the information of the initial dataset and visualization goals are the projects of this main area to be in focus. The top restaurants in the world are the core subject of the dataset. So it's gonna like how to improve and advance this project all are discussed. And coming to the introduction, restaurant sales, which are a source of income for business, allow restaurants to make money by selling meals to patrons. The principal method to money passes through an economy is through restaurant sales. Yeah, as a result, it is an imperative to solve this problem. And the purpose of the research and the research to analyze a few themes that have been divided into 6 groups in order to get insight into the following. The related work, the revenue of restaurant is significantly impaired by the words, as you can see this, and the tools that are used. It's been Tableau. As you know, Tableau is well-known tool for the data visualization and a business intelligence with a user-friendly interface and a tool that is essential for data visualization. Also, it may be used to create some data sets and represent it in the format of diagrams. So for this, the advantages, user interface, friendly plan, excellent preparation and recommendation plan, several information connectors, and also the tools to employ straightforward cycle is not simple, but also it requires some diagrams and graphs to function swiftly. Disadvantages for complete stage, it's very important to have a prepared customers, risky security, and no workable alternative to booking or report notice. About data, the visualization project choose the Zomato percent of the dataset, and obviously you can see the variables in the data types uh, on this project that are used, and we just created the dataset and that we use for this. The main goal is to look at how different restaurants have changed throughout history in various places of the world. We can apply models depending on the data types of the datasets variables. A variety of graphs types are used to describe the restaurant, including line graphs, trend line graphs, pie charts, bar graph, histograms, and donut charts. For the data cleaning, if few columns in each raw data set are not required for visualizations, these columns have been removed. The data is transformed into .csv format. This is used for the Tableau specifically. The image primarily features city names from different countries. The image is therefore unaffected by empty rows, even if there are values of discontinuous sets. Using Tableau, a few features limit the tool's capacity to export the data from the dataset. And the roles of the interpreter. With the help of data, like for the Tableau feature, you may like Excel records with Tableau. It is used to recognize the arrangement of the Excel data and convert into a format suitable for analysis by Tableau. The data interpreter's responsibility is to clean the data, and the data that is divided to external information by identifying any additional tables and internal subtables. Once the data interpreter has done its job, the information can be checked beginning with the study. And the techniques and the algorithms that are used performing the exploratory data analysis. The visualization tool for analysis is Tableau and was already mentioned. According to the analysis being done, the dashboard consists of 3 tabs. One is the deposits by period, and the second one is the deposits by location, and the third one is the deposits by branch. Use of bar charts and line graphs with synchronization access. Performing exploratory data analysis. Exploratory analysis in order to guarantee that the findings are reliable and relevant to any targeted business objectives and goals. By ensuring that stakeholders are posing the proper queries, EDA also assists stakeholders. Analysis 1, the countries with the Zomato operations, as you can see in the bar graph that was shown. Analysis 2, country which contains the highest rating and count. As you can see, the average, good, excellent, that was a popular rating task for this given. And also you can see the poor one. The analysis and visualizations. City with the ratings and notes. Our primary goal is to identify which towns or states have the most affordable and expensive restaurant. To do this, we calculate the most affordable and expensive restaurants in each of the cities. A line chart is then made using the results of calculation. The graph shows that New Delhi has the highest rating and votes with more than 1 lakh. City with ratings. Our primary goal is to identify which town have more restaurant ratings in the bar chart. It shows New Delhi has the highest restaurant, as you can see, and Noida has the less. The city and the country code with average cost of two. Our primary goal is to find the average cost of each restaurant in the world, and you can see this chart as it was mentioned. Creating a dashboard view in Tableau, average cost of a city, as you can see in its photo, and also the rating of restaurants. You can see the graph there, the rating of and what's in a city. Charts used for visualization, line chart in order to be better comprehend the data and make informed decisions. Organizations can use Tableau to analyze and visualize the data. With Tableau, powerful analytics perform complex data is visualized, and that was made simpler, making it simpler to comprehend and analyze. And the bar chart, as you can see in the previous image, we have shown the bar chart as well. So bar charts are employed to show the distribution of data points or to compare metrics among various data subsets. This figure, or for instance, was utilized in a location-based analysis to show top 10 states branches in the cities. So in the discussion, according to the illustration, the theme is primarily concerned with the financial stability of several restaurants. India receives the most votes for the Bangalore restaurant in terms of vote cost with 4,370 votes. The United Arab Emirates received the second highest number of votes for Bangalore. We can see the poorest restaurant evaluations are found in certain Indian cities like Noida, Faryabad. Each country's total number of restaurants shown in India having the most 432 restaurants, and the United States second most with the 432. So the future work, as you can see, there is a scope for the future work also. We discovered that we need to pay closer attention to the cities with the lowest rating, such as Noida in India, Paulo in Brazil, as shown the graph of the cities with the lowest rating. Macmillan is the name city of America. And these were the references for the dataset that we used. You can see it as the links. The one is the Kaggle. Obviously, that's very known. And thank you.